Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, blessed authors. This is Tahira. I am a Christian author and teacher. And in today's video, we are starting actually a new series on how to use ChatGPT to help increase our book sales. And this is part one. So if you did not know, one of the ways that you can actually increase your book sales on Amazon KDP is by updating the keywords, the 7 keyword slots. So I'm going to go to my signature book, 6-Step Blueprint, which teaches you how to write a book. I'm going to go to edit book details. All right, so just to let you know, you can never change the title or the subtitle or the author, but everything else Amazon allows you to update your books. And so one of the things that can help you that many, newbies don't know is that when you, and actually they got something right here that I need to update. When you first self-publish your book, you add in these 7 keywords so that Amazon knows where to place your book when people are searching. Because remember, Amazon is a search engine. So when people go on there, you want to make sure that these 7 keywords are going to help push out your book. And so I haven't updated mine in a while. And I noticed that sales have slowed in 2025. So the best thing for you to do is just to go in maybe every season, every quarter, at least I would say every 6 months, and update these keywords. And so let's go ahead and see if Chatty can help me get a little more discovered so that I can increase my book sales. So I've already opened up ChatGPT. It's free, but I have decided because I have a business to go ahead and pay for the ChatGPT 4.0, which is $20 a month, but the free version would work just fine. Okay. And so I'm going to say, hi, Chatty. Let's see what Chatty says. What we're working on today. All right. I would like help updating the 7 keyword slots on my Amazon KDP to increase discoverability. You guys, my spelling is bad today. You know what I mean. Discoverability. Okay, we're not gonna get to discover. Oh, no. Not dissolvability. Lord Jesus. Discover. Okay, because I can't spell today. Slots on my Amazon KDP to increase book sales to get discovered. When can't spell, just reword it. To get discovered when people are searching for how to write or publish their book on Amazon KDP. I am a Christian. Oops, I would like to put in that Christian author, but you don't have to if you're not a Christian author. But I like to say it so they have, And my book targets faith-based writers. Oops, let me put inspiring authors. All right, so then I want to put the title. I'm not going to help them out with too much. Hold on, let me go back to my details. So I like to give them a little information just so that I feel like when you give Chatty a little information, it can better assist you. Let's see, why is it not moving? All right. I thought I had the title in there. All right. Oh, that won't let me copy paste. So, okay, here we go. Um, my book is called 6-Step Blueprint: How to Write a Book in 30 Days for Faith-Based Authors. Please do not repeat the same words as Amazon doesn't like that. All right, so I'm kind of giving it some information because I already know based off of being on Amazon, KDP, self-publishing there since 2015. They really don't like when you get like too many duplicates because it's using AI to just scan all of your information. So basically, I'm telling Chatty, hey, I want some new and unique things. Actually, let's say that. I'll hit make sure the keywords are new, different, and optimized for search. You definitely want to let them know, like, hey, I want my book to fit in categories that people are searching. Let's see how they do. He said, got it, Ty. Here's an optimized list of 7 unique keyword phrases for your KDP keyword slots that will help your 6-step blueprint rank higher. Yeah, that's what I want, especially for faith-based first-time inspiring authors who want to write a book. Perfect. So they look like they got my target down. Let's see how they did compared to what I had. So I like to take the suggestions. And you could ask for more if you want. You could ask for 10 or whatever. And I put it in a Google Doc. Okay. I take it off of Chatty and into a Google Doc. I've already started this one with just some updates. Okay. And I like to compare it to what I have. So they have Christian Book Publishing Guide. It's just easier for me. I just like to look at it on a doc and save all of my information. Write a devotional for beginners. Let's see. Faith-based self-publishing steps. I like that. How to publish a prayer journal. Well, the book is not necessarily about that, but I would like a little more general. Christian writing tips for new authors. Bible-inspired book writing plan. 30-day book challenge for believers. Let's see. Some of these are real general. I'm going to see what I have as compared to what Chatty did. See if mine are better. And so when I actually self-published I think I self-published in 2021, I did not use Chatty. So these are just all mine. But that's what this series is about, is using ChatGPT to see if it can actually help increase my book sales. And then, of course, if you're trying this as well, I will be giving updates on if it worked or not. All right. So we got how to self-publish your Christian book, faith books for inspiring authors, beginning writing tips, 30-day devotional book, prayer, scriptures, dream of becoming a published author, questions and answers, writing book, step-by-step roadmap, easy to follow. All right. So I think I could update these. I do like mine, though. I think they're pretty good. So we're going to go with Christian Book Publishing Guide. I like that, actually. And so we're just going to go ahead and just replace just like that. And I do have these saved somewhere, but honestly, we just trying this out, you guys. So I'm not going to worry about like having it on the same doc. And let's see. We're just going back and forth. Write a devotional for beginners. I don't know if I want to put devotional because my book is necessarily not dedicated to devotional. Um, let's say write your first book. So what I do is, yes, I take suggestions from Chatty, but because I kind of know my audience and I already like I like that aspiring authors. I like that. So I may keep that. Write a uh, writing, let's say. Oh, well, I already got beginning for tips. I was going to say writing tips for beginners, inspiring authors. So I don't always take exactly what ChatGPT says. I take some of their suggestions and then I do what I want. That was kind of similar to one I already had, but I'm going to go ahead and use it. All right. 30-day devotional. Oh, I do have devotional book, prayer, scriptures. I was just trying all kind of stuff. How to publish a prayer journal. Well, this one is not necessarily about that, even though I do have an ebook. This one is more just any type of book. Let's see. How to publish. I'm gonna say journal with prayers. Just gonna change it up a little bit. Let's see. Christian writing tips for new authors. I kind of already had that one too, but we'll take it. They just reworded it. All right, two more, and then we're done. Bible inspired book writing plan. Bible inspired book writing plan. Okay, I like that. Yeah, I could say that my book falls in that category. I always want to make sure that, whatever I'm putting here is actually true to what your actual book is, right? And then the last one, 30-day book challenge for believers. I guess it would be considered a challenge. So we're going to go ahead and try that. All right. So now I have updated, and they don't like that one. Oh, they want me to put it. Okay. So now I have updated the 7 keywords. You saw how I use Chatty. And also, if you're interested, I will have some prompts available. So this is kind of a really long one, but I came up with a bunch of ways that you can prompt if it helps you. It's free. It's going to be in the bottom of the video description. And it helps you with not just keywords, but with updating your book description, because this is going to be a series. So if you're new to ChatGPT and you want to follow that prompt, go ahead and check that out if you're interested. All right. And then I definitely recommend always use Google to transfer your information. And it's just easier to read. All right. So once you update, we have to hit save and continue. Oh, yeah, it tells you I published my book in 2021. So it definitely needed to be updated. I think I have updated it before. Anyhow, then you're going to go right here to save and continue. All right. Okay. So that was easy. That and then when you're ready, you would publish your paperback, and then they would, of course, give you all the updates. So, but I'm going to end the video here so it's not getting too long. Join me if you enjoyed this for part 2. Well, I'll be using ChatGPT to update my book description. All right. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do like, subscribe for the series.